We've all seen concept cars before. They are one-off statements from automakers intended to stir the imagination and excite buyers about future products. Over the past 9 months, Kia has allowed us to watch the birth of its new concept car, the Trackster, which is based on the best-selling Soul. Today, the Trackster is being loaded onto a trailer in Southern California for the long ride to the Midwest, where in a few days it will make its world debut at the Chicago Auto Show. Let's rewind 9 months and join the design team at the Kia Design Center in Irvine, California. The doors to the almost 100,000 square foot studio were opened in 2008. Every inch of this spectacular building is designed to inspire, because this is the place where Kia is designing its cars of tomorrow. Every year, Kia asks its design team to come up with concept car ideas, which are presented as colourful movie posters. The Trackster was the standout of the 2011 crop. Obviously, motorsport heavily influenced the design concept, hence the name. But the design team also looked outside the auto industry at products like snowboard boots and winter goggles for further inspiration. Designers spent 2 weeks working on sketches to refine the original concept. Once everyone agreed on a final drawing, the next step was to build a quarter-scale model. For the design team, this is the first time they see the Trackster in 3D form. The surface data from the scale model is then input into a device called a 5-axis milling machine, which creates a full-scale clay model. Made from clay laid over a steel core, this model weighs 6,000 pounds. Although the 5-axis mill is incredibly precise, fine-tuning of the surfaces still needs to be done by hand. A single craftsman goes over the entire model, cutting, trimming and shaving the exact details. Once the clay model is finished, an imager captures the highly detailed data from all the surfaces. The data is then sent to Southern California fabrication specialist ARIA Group, which has been given the task of building the actual concept vehicle. ARIA has built concept cars from scratch for various automakers, but as the Trackster is based on a production car, a Kia Soul has been supplied as a donor vehicle. It's now August. The Soul has been stripped down to its frame. Doors, body panels, hood and the entire interior have been removed. Only the bare essentials remain and are prepped for receiving the new parts. ARIA gets to work building the hundreds of custom fabricated pieces that will make up the Trackster. They consult thousands of pages of subcomponents detailing materials, colours and all other information needed to hand build every part. Once all the fabrication work has been completed, every single part is laid out for the designers to review. Now ARIA begins to make the necessary changes to the frame and suspension, including adding monstrous drilled brake rotors and Brembo calipers. With all of the custom fabricated components fitted, the Trackster is ready for paint, which will be the last process before the car can be assembled. Once the paint is dry, the interior needs to be sorted. The center console is installed, the seats are attached, and all of the interior electrics are connected. The Trackster is then brought from ARIA's shop to the Kia Design Center for one final viewing. Every inch of the car is inspected and notes are made. If there are any craftsmanship objections, the car will go back to ARIA for final fixes. It's taken 9 months and 10,000 man-hours, but the Trackster is finished. Next stop, the Chicago Auto Show.